What is up guys, this is Luke once again and welcome back to LDGaming. So in today's video, we will be building yet another PC and this time we'll be using the new 1660 Super from Palit and we'll be using once again the Ryzen 2600 for this build. And aso ko yun. So without further ado, let's dive in.
LDGaming.
So for a change, ang gagawin natin, overhead yung cam natin para makita nyo yung process kung paano binubuo yung PC. So, first, paano ang kailangan natin? Your screwdriver, your cutter, and a multibit. Kasi baka mamaya we need this for M.2, you know, SSDs and stuff. Kailangan nyo ng mga maliit na screws. So yun, kailangan natin yan. Gigabyte B450M DS3H. So ito yung mga mga professional kasi wala siyang RGB pero matibay siya and reliable yung mga ganitong motherboard. So kaya dito tayo nag-go. Also medyo budget oriented din siya so hindi siya masakit sa bulsa. The AMD Ryzen 5 2600. Yes. 2600 kasi nasa more on the lower side tayo ng budget natin. At the same time, kailangan din natin ng performance. So we went with this bang for the buck CPU. Motherboard natin out of the box. Then let's proceed with installing the processor. So yan. Ito na kailangan natin agad, di ba? So ito may SATA tayo for our hard drive. But since ang gagamitin natin as storage space is an M.2 solution, the Transcend M.2 SSD, hindi natin kailangan tong SATA natin. So, itatabi muna natin siya. So, first things first, bago natin ikabit ang ating processor, ang gawin muna natin is to remove these retaining brackets or mounting brackets kasi hindi natin siya kailangan for our heatsink kasi ang heatsink natin is the rate cooler na wherein may sarili siyang mounting tabs. So ayan. Now na natanggal na natin, let's open our processor. Mag-ingat kayo guys, baka may malaglag, mag-bend yung pins, sira ang processor nyo. Gawin nyo, place it on a stable surface such as for this one, is either on our table or on top of our motherboard. So yan, ingat lang. So ganyan. Open it, dahan-dahan. Then pull out the retaining bracket. Ayan. Tapos ito yung gold triangle, kung makikita nyo, this one. Ayan yung triangle, di ba? Oh, ito yung triangle niya. So dahan-dahan nyo siyang i-drop lang. Yan, ganyan lang. Then, there, you have successfully installed a processor. Now, for our cooler, since hindi naman tayo mag-overclock, this will be enough for overclocking. I mean, for some overclocking, a bit. Tapos, kung stock lang naman, walang problema. Kayang-kaya natin ng ng cooler natin yan. So, place the AMD logo on the left side. Kasi pag dito sa right side, maiiwan siya ng maiipit pala niya yung mga RAMs natin. So, ayan. Since hindi na natin kailangan pala ng thermal paste kasi meron na siyang pre-applied. So, ayan. So, ayan. You have successfully installed a cooler. So, now, ipa-plug na natin to sa ating fan mount. So, we have one here, system fan. Now, kailangan natin is our CPU fan. And for this case, dito yon, CPU fan. As you guys can see, it's properly labeled. So, ayan. Just plug it in place. And done! So, look, anong next? We now need our RAM. So, ayan. Ito ang ating RAM. The Adata XPG Spectrix D60G. So, ito, medyo naglagay tayo ng RGB kasi gusto ni customer na merong konting bling sa build niya. By the way guys, if you like this content, please subscribe to LDGaming and click that notification bell para meron tayong mga mas marami pang PC builds na mabubuo and i-share ko sa inyo. So now, what's next, Luke? So ito na yung M.2 natin. Yung storage natin. Since naka M.2 kayo, mabilis yung storage natin. Tsaka compact, wala tayong SSD, wala tayong ipa-plug na cables. Mas reliable yung connection dito lang, di ba? So let's open this up. So yan, user screw to remove the screw. Dito sa M.2 socket natin. Yan, careful! Baka mawala. Mahirap ang hanap niyan. Ayan, just carefully plug it in place, like so. Yan, makikita niya pag wala na yung gold mark ng connector, okay na yun. Tapos press it down, and kapag nag-line up, just screw it back in. Huwag masyadong mahigpit guys, sakto lang. So yan, you're successfully done. Install natin yung processor, yung RAM, and yung M.2 SSD natin. What's next? Now, we could mount this in place na sa ano agad, sa case agad. Ganun lang kabilis guys, lalo na kung alam nyo talaga yung ginagawa nyo. So, yun. So, for our case guys, we use the Agile Gaming series. I forgot yung model niya. Anyway, it has yung may side panel siya and maganda yung unahan niya. So, yun. So, here is our case guys. Wait lang, check ko kung kita nyo yung ano. Anyway, ito, tanggalin muna natin tong glass natin. At itabi nyo muna sa loob ng box kasi baka mabasag. Mag-ingat. So, ang good about this case is that meron na siyang included na 1 and 2 fans. Tapos meron pa tayong pangatlo. So, pwede natin siya lagay sa harap. So, now, tanggalin muna natin to. Yan. Ito yung front panel connectors natin. We have USB 3. Meron tayong power connectors natin, power switch, LED switch, tapos meron tayong USB hub. Ito yung USB hub natin sa unahan. Tapos meron din tayong HD audio kasi meron tayong 3.5 input sa unahan. So, yun. We will now be installing our I/O shield. Ayan. So, para matandaan nyo ko yung orientation, automatic, yung baba is, ito kung nasan yung, ito, di ba ganyan ang orientation yan. Kung nasan yung mga saksakan ng audio, which is this one, the mic, the line out, and the line in, ayan, ay lagi yung nasa bottom. The USB and the PS2 connectors, kung may PS2 kayo, ayun yung nasa ibabaw. So, ganyan. Tapos, i-press nyo lang yung sa mga sides hanggang sa tumunog siya in place. Yan. So now, let's plug in our motherboard. So, ito yung mga cables na yan, unplug nyo muna kasi may ipit siya. So yan, let's install this na. So, yung mga major na standoffs na ka-install na, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, sakto na pala eh. Kasi may kulang dito sa labas. I don't know kung bakit abnormal yung motherboard niya, merong isa dito. Anyway, so hold niya siya sa may cooler, tapos patagilid. Then, yan, tutok niya lang. Tapos, tingnan lang magla-line up yung mga holes dun sa I/O shield niya. Then, you're good to go. Tapos, kunin natin yung mga, screws. So for our power supply, we'll be using the Thermaltake Lite power 650 watts. So install na rin natin siya with this one dito sa side na to. So na-install na natin yung ating power supply guys. Let's now install our baliktad. Let's now install our GPU. It's the 1650 Super from Palit. So, yeah. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video and sana nagustuhan niyo yung overhead shot na ginawa ko kasi it's kinda new for the channel. Minsan ko lang siya ginagawa and sana may natutunan kayo and I hope you like this video. So if you like it, please give it a like, and if you don't, you know what to do. Anyway, please subscribe to LDGaming and click that notification bell para ma-inform pa kayo sa mga future builds natin and future unboxing, all especially regarding tech. So, thank you guys for watching. This is Luke and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace guys.